Good morning. Today in the garage, we're going to be working on Old Blue. You might remember Old Blue from some of my earlier episodes. There's only 2 with it in there. Since then, I sold it to my brother to fund the 80 pickup. Just so I have some money to put into it and buy and all that good stuff. It's a great truck. He's taken really good care of it. But recently, on those 3.9 Dodge motors, a real common problem is that the timing cover leaks coolant. Since then, it's gotten pretty bad. So today we're gonna blow it apart, try to fix it, because most importantly, after we fix it, if all goes according to plan, we get ahead about a half hour, 45 minutes, and pick up a new hatch for the new blue Vanagon. If you guys saw the last video, you saw that thing was annihilated in the rear. So I'm trying to get that fixed up pretty soon, because I really want to start driving and put some miles on it. So today for the Dodge video, it's gonna be mostly time-lapse, because it's real like finicky, just not fun, greasy, knuckle-busting type stuff. So, let's get into it. Let's get to work. So we went to go hop in the truck to go for a test ride, and as we close the door, the engine just shuts off completely. Ran a couple tests, pretty sure the coil just went bad. It was replaced with something in the past, I don't know what it is, but Jacob just went to go pick one up from AutoZone or Advanced or something, and I'm gonna get this one out and ready to go because we have to leave to go pick up the hatch in like 20 minutes. So we're hoping this fixes it and we can just hit the road with no real shakedown with the new water pump and all that stuff. So hopefully it all goes well. So quick update, went to AutoZone, they said they had it in stock, they don't have it in stock. So instead of the Dodge, I'm gonna take the RAV. Good old dependable Toyota. I don't know, let's go get it. All right, just got back from pick up the hatches. Notice I said hatches, my bad. So I went there and to be totally honest, I got them for free. I reached out to this guy, Sean, on Facebook, and he said he had two he was gonna scrap. And basically anything was better than the condition of what was on the back of my van. So I went over there just expecting one, he gave me two. So I might body work the one and color match it to my van so that way it looks crisp, clean, and fresh and new. The other one has some rust across the bottom. Got back, my brother helped me throw it on my van, so at least then I have a hatch on it that actually closes. And this is what we got. A hatch. White hatch with a whole bunch of rust along the bottom. So I'll probably patch it up for now. Funny enough, the weight doesn't bother me too much on the van. I kind of dig it. I know it's dumb, but I like it. I'm so happy that it closes and I can actually park it in the rain and not worry about getting the inside all wet. I still have some adjusting to do for the bottom catch because it's it's still pretty mangled from when it got wrecked, but it's on there. And we fixed the Dodge. The Dodge is driving. He just drove it home, so that should be good there. busy, sloppy, busy, dirty, nasty day. So I'm gonna go inside and spend some time with my family before I have to work tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Sorry about the last video, kind of weird. I don't know what happened there. It cut off after some amount of time. So I'm gonna go inside, fix it, re-release it. So if you wanna watch the full thing, please do. If not, thanks, whatever. All right, but thanks for watching. Have a good one.